Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jujube tea. This comforting beverage is known for its delightful flavor and potential health benefits. To begin, you will need about 1 cup of dried jujubes, a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger, and 4 cups of water. You might also want to have some honey or brown sugar on hand to sweeten your tea to taste. Let's get started on this simple and rewarding process. First, let's prepare our main ingredients. Take about 1 cup of dried jujubes and rinse them thoroughly under cold, running water to remove any impurities. Next, you can either slice each jujube in half or make a few small cuts into them. This helps release their flavor during brewing. Finally, peel a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger and slice it into thin rounds. These preparations are crucial for extracting maximum flavor. Now it's time to brew your delicious tea. Place the washed and sliced jujubes, along with the thinly cut ginger, into a medium-sized pot. Pour in 4 cups of fresh water. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it gently simmer for at least 30 minutes. For a richer, more intense flavor, you can simmer it for up to 1 hour. Once your tea has finished simmering, carefully strain the liquid into a heat-proof container, discarding the solids. Your warm, aromatic jujube tea is now ready to enjoy. Pour it into your favorite mug. If you prefer a sweeter taste, stir in 1 or 2 teaspoons of honey or brown sugar. Any leftover tea can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, perfect for a quick reheat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.